Okay, good morning class. Today we are going to learn Rebhann's method, which is a graphical method. So you will require a simple graph paper for drawing this graph. Now the numericals was given by Rebhann's and Culmann's board to calculate the passive work pressure by graphical method. Earlier we have calculated the passive and active work pressure with respect to Rankine's method, but it was given only for cohesionless soil and C was present in it, then negative diagram was to be considered, and you used to calculate the by neglecting the negative diagram, used to calculate the active earth pressure as well as passive earth pressure. Today by Rebhann's method we are going to learn the calculation of active earth pressure, which is also known as active thrust. Okay, so this is the numerical here problem. Using Rebhann's method, determine the total active earth pressure on the wall with following data. So height of wall is 8 meter, inclination of wall is 8 meter, height of wall is 8 meter, inclination of wall with vertical is 5 degree, inclination of surcharge line with horizontal equals to 10 degree, angle of wall friction, which is we have to consider or it may be given, so you can consider it as 20 degrees, angle of shearing resistance 25 degree, unit weight of backfill gamma is given to you as 18 kilonewton per meter cube and cohesion is equals to 0. That means it is totally a cohesionless soil. So also determine the point of action of total earth pressure where PA is acting. So that we have to calculate. So, so how you are going to calculate this active earth pressure with Rebhann's method? This is how you have to calculate. Okay, so this is the graph which you have to draw on a simple graph paper. You can keep it vertical or you can keep it horizontal, no doubt. If you keep vertical, then your graph will be more prominent. So this is how you have to draw. So what is given, basically you have to consider. So in problem, there is an height of 8 meters. Okay, then the wall is inclined to the vertical of 5 degrees. That means this angle with vertical is theta equals to 5 degree. It is also called as batter angle. Then you have given angle of wall friction as 20 degree. If it is not given, you will assume delta equals to 10-20 degree angle of wall. Then you have to calculate xi angle, which we draw from here from point B. So xi is given by 90 minus delta minus theta. So 90 minus 20 equals to 70. 70 minus theta is 5. That is given to you as 65 degree. And after drawing this graph, you will get the proper value of PA. Okay, so how you will draw? I'll show you in AutoCAD. It is little bit difficult to draw in AutoCAD, but when you draw on the graph paper, it becomes easy. So you need a proper roller scale, a rounder with a pencil, and a protector to measure the angles. Okay, so you have the line, you have drawn the line of 8-meter height. Okay, you can take any what you can say, you can take any scale you want. Basically you can draw a angle, you can draw for total scale 1 is to 1 as it is only 8-meter height, and it can be drawn very easily on the graph paper. So I will take 8-meter height. So it is 8 meter height here. So this is your angle. So here I will take 2 meter because only we have to draw angles phi and alpha. So this can be drawn very easily. Then again 2 meter to calculate the better angle, or you can just shift this line to draw the better angle phi. यहाँ से आपको 80 डिग्री बनाना है, phi इक्वल्स टू यहाँ से एंगल लेना है आपको 5 डिग्री। तो यहाँ से ना लेते हुए विल ड्रॉ अल्फा एंगल फ्रॉम हियर। सो 90 माइनस 5 equals to 85 degree. So I will take 85 degree here. Okay, and it is going on opposite side, so it will be minus 80 degree, 85 degree minus 85. Remember, better angle is given to you as 45 degree. So I am taking from this. Okay, kindly have a look on this graph paper first, then we start. Okay, have you seen the graph? So this is how you have to draw. This is your better angle phi. So I am taking alpha angle as 85 degree for better understanding and for easy drawing. So in simple graph paper, you have to draw that. Okay, it is little bit difficult to draw. Okay, so this is the line. So I will just move it upwards. Let us see if we can draw a better angle. It is not coming properly. So if we draw a better angle of 5 degree here, okay, this is how we are taking a 5 degree angle. This is how 5 degree angle is drawn. I am not getting here on this AutoCAD version, so I will simply draw one line better angle of theta equals to height is 80 degree. Okay, so this is theta is equals to 5 degree, that better angle. Again, I will draw one line here. Again, you see the drawing. This is your angle. So this is your vertical, and this is your better angle. Okay, so better angle is given to you as 5 degree. So 5 degree angle ले करके वर्टिकल से 5 डिग्री एंगल आपको लेना है और बेटर एंगल बनाना है। ठीक है, तो अभी बेटर एंगल हमने बना लिया है। सो वी हैव ड्रॉन द बेटर एंगल हियर। ओके, ये बेटर एंगल हमने बना लिया है और फ्रॉम बी पॉइंट you will draw the line here. Okay, so on this AutoCAD, ये आपकी एंगल बेटर एंगल की लाइन बन गई। दिस इज योर better angle. Okay, तो ये बेटर एंगल बन गया, ये हमारी वर्टिकल लाइन यहाँ से हट गई, तो 5 डिग्री का एंगल हमारा बन गया है। तो ये आपका वर्टिकल है 90 डिग्री का, एंड ये आपका बेटर एंगल बन गया है 5 डिग्री का। ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अल्फा phi angle. So phi is given to you as 25 internal friction angle, and inclination to the surface is given to you as 10 degree. So again we will draw the same. So यहाँ से हम लोग draw करेंगे phi angle. So angle phi is given to you as 25 degree. Okay, so you can draw it and like this, and angle of inclination to the surface, this angle is given to you as 10 degree. So this 10 degree is also drawn. You will increase it. Okay. So this is increased. For better understanding, I am taking this phi equals to 30 degree so that it can come in our okay. So this is how you have to draw phi angle. Okay, so phi angle is 25 degree. यहाँ से आपको एंगल लेना है. It is becoming little bit difficult. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसा एक हम phi एंगल बना लिए है. You have got the intersection point here. ठीक है, तो हम लोग इसे कट कर देते हैं. So this is, you have got the total geography of the drawing. Now what you have to draw? You have to draw the semicircle. You have to draw the semicircle first. So B and D, इसका आपको एक सेंटर पॉइंट लेना है और आर्क बनाना है. ठीक है, सेमीसर्कल बनाना है. तो ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट जो भी है आपका B एंड D, इसका एक सेंटर पॉइंट लेना है. ठीक है. Okay, so this is your B angle. Okay, so we'll just move this B point from here to here, and we can give this CO means copy. So we are copying this point. Now this is A and this is D point. Okay, so this is B point here, and you are getting this as A point. Labeling is very important. So take a center point of this, keep your rounder point here, take a center of this and draw one arc. यानी कि सेमी सर्कल आपका बन जाएगा. So this will be your arc. Okay, so this is your first step to draw this. Now you can see this point, we have drawn this arc. Now you have to draw the xy line. So how you will draw the xy line, we'll see for the xy line. So xy we have already calculated 90 minus delta minus theta, where delta is 20 degree. If not given, you have to take 20 degree here. Then theta is 5 degree. So 90 minus 20, 70. 70 minus 5, 65 degree. So xi angle you have to take 65 degree. So from this point B, we will take angle xi as 65 degree. तो ये तो हमारा जो एंगल है दैट इज योर 25 डिग्री. सो 65 माइनस 25 आपका हो जाएगा 40 डिग्री. तो यहाँ से आप 40 डिग्री का एंगल बना सकते हो. तो ये आपका 40 डिग्री का एंगल बन गया. ठीक है. तो अब हम ये थोड़ा सा इसे कर्टेल कर देते हैं. विल जस्ट कर्टेल दिस लाइन. ओके. नाउ xi एंगल हमारा बन गया है. phi एंगल भी हमारा बन गया है. सेमी सर्कल ऑल्सो वी हैव ड्रॉन. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ. आपको यहाँ से ये जो xi लाइन है इसकी पैरेलल लाइन लेनी है आपको. ठीक है. तो यहाँ से you will take a parallel line to point A. So what you have to do is take a parallel line. So copy this. या आपके पास रोलर स्केल रहेंगी तो आपको रोलर स्केल से रोल करते हुए यहाँ पे ये लाइन लानी है. ओके. So take a roller scale and after taking a roller scale you will draw one line here. Okay. After that you will draw one 90 degree angle here. ठीक है. एक 90 डिग्री एंगल आपको ये पॉइंट से लेना है. देखिए हियर अभी आपने एक पैरेलल लाइन बनाया 190 डिग्री. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑन दिस सेमी सर्कल. So that is what we are going to draw here on this semicircle 90 degree. That's it. Okay. फिर ये होने के बाद में 90 डिग्री एंगल. व्हेन यू टेक अ 90 डिग्री एंगल सो B और H ये पॉइंट जो है इसे आप रेडियस लेके ये कर्व बनाना. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे हम इसे H पॉइंट दे देते हैं. सो फर्स्ट विल गिव दिस पॉइंट. सो गिव H पॉइंट हियर. ठीक है. तो इसे आप रेडियस लेना चाहेंगे तो यू हैव टू टेक रेडियस पॉइंट हियर. सो ये रेडियस पॉइंट से आपको ये एक सेमी सर्कल बनाना है, एक आर्क बनाना है. सो टेक B and H as a what you can say radius and you will take one arc here. ठीक है. So this is one arc drawn. Then take a parallel line again from here. ठीक है. फिर एक पैरेलल लाइन लेने के बाद में आपको पॉइंट C मिल जाएगा. तो पॉइंट C जो है ये आपका यहाँ पे A के बाजू में आ जाएगा. तो दिस विल बी योर पॉइंट C. ठीक है. तो दिस इज योर पॉइंट C. अगेन फ्रॉम पॉइंट C ये पॉइंट C हो गया है आपका. देखिए हमको ये पॉइंट C मिल गया. दिस इज E पॉइंट. सो विल मार्क दिस एज E पॉइंट. दिस इज E पॉइंट. तो EC को आप रेडियस लेकर यहाँ से एक आर्क बनाएंगे जो कि यहाँ कहीं भी एक्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे पॉइंट पे आर्क बनाएंगे. ठीक है. ये आर्क आपका बनाना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक. तो ये पॉइंट आपका बन गया. तो EC आपको रेडियस लेके ये आर्क आपको बनाना है. सो देखिए वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस आर्क. नाउ जॉइन KC पॉइंट. तो इसे हम के पॉइंट दे देते हैं. तो give the point K over here. Okay. Now join K and C. So you will get a rectangle here. Okay. After getting rectangle, draw a line. Draw one perpendicular. ओके. एक 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाना है आपको. यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्टर रखेंगे आप एंड यू विल ड्रॉ अ 90 डिग्री लाइन हियर. ठीक है. ऑन के ई. तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा एफ. तो दिस इज योर एफ पॉइंट. और ये आपका हो जाएगा हाइट एच. तो दिस इज योर एच हाइट. और ये आपका पॉइंट बन गया है एफ पॉइंट. ठीक है. So this is how this graph is drawn, and now you have to calculate the value of PA. So how you will calculate the value of PA? 1 half CF into EC into gamma. CF into KE into KC is your answer. So you can see that how you will calculate PA equals to CE. This is your CF, okay? CF into KE into total unit weight of soil. स्केल में आप इसे गिनेंगे 1 to 1. अगर आप बना रहे हैं इसे तो आप टोटली जो भी है आपकी स्केल 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 मीटर और वॉट एवर. सो वो जो स्केल में आपने लिया है उसे आप मेजर करेंगे. यू विल मेजर इट and then you will calculate the value of PA, which will give you kilonewton per meter. Please have a look on this graph. Again, I will explain you in AutoCAD. Okay, so here what you have to do is first you have to take one vertical line. Take a better angle of phi theta equals to 0 degree or 5 degree, 10 degree, whatever is given. Draw AB line. After drawing AB line, draw a phi line. Phi equals to 25 degree was given to us. So we have drawn the phi angle. Then from here, inclination angle is given to you. Surcharge angle beta, which is given to you 10 degree. So we have drawn. We have got the intersection point. Then after that take B. BD का whatever will be the center, take the center and draw the semicircle BD. After drawing the semicircle BD, draw the line xi, angle xi, which is measured from here to here. Okay, angle xi is measured from this line BD drawing to this line. So that is xi equals to 90 minus delta minus theta, where your xi angle is given to you. After drawing xi line, take parallel to this, roll on, take a roller scale and take a line A, E or G. This is G point. After drawing this, take a perpendicular on your semicircle edge. Take BH as your semicircle radius and draw one semicircle on BD. After drawing BD, roll on to the scale on E point and draw CE. After drawing CE, take CE as your radius and draw one semicircle on your BD, which will give you point K. And after getting this point, join KC. After drawing KC, draw a perpendicular from C on BD, which is point H and height H. After getting this, you have to calculate PA, which is given to you as 1 half base into height, which is 1 half. This is your height CF into KE into unit weight of soil gamma 18, which is given to you. And if you totally calculate it, it will be 180.9 kilonewton per meter. 8 meters here, so I have taken a half scale. You have to convert it into scale. I have taken it whatever size was given here, then I have multiplied it with scale 2, which is 140.94 kilonewton per meter. So this is how you have to draw the graph for this. Any questions? You can call me or WhatsApp me on my mobile phone. Thank you so much for attending this class. Any queries right now? If not, then you will end the class. Thank you, class.